Welcome CNG 132. I just got my codes today for your class and then for A+. I'm missing my Network Plus access codes, but I'm at the account creation. kaplanlearn.com/login, create post, username George Lemos, password. Oops, I think I messed both those up. Create account. Account created, log in. Sure, why not? Oh, awesome. So somebody already added me access. Oh, I think this is... Well, I shouldn't have access to these already, but I guess I do. So select an enrollment. We'll go for SYO 501. Now, this is the first time I've ever accessed this material before. So we can go to practice exam simulation. Let's go to quick quiz. And once again, we're just testing this out. Number 1, question 90. Okay, cool. So as you saw, made my account, accessed my code. Maybe, I don't know what kind of other stuff I had in there. I thought I had to punch in a number or something, but I guess I didn't. So I used my email. Okay. So the link within my email actually carried all my codes over. I didn't have to enter one. But that's how we'll work it from here. In 2 weeks, what's today? Week 5. So make sure at the end of at least week 6, you do have Transcender and start practicing it. I did receive a few emails about exam 1. And if you forgot it, if you were sick and scored low on it, that is okay, because I use the Transcender to boost your exam scores. For the security course, you must have a B or better. Simply going through these Kaplan test bank over and over and over. I assume when we hit end, we'll actually get a score for it. And it should tell us a printout. I don't know if I can hit this 90 times before we get in, but we should get a printout with some sort of grade on it. Once again, since this is the first video and my first time actually accessing this, I will do further research on it. But now that at least I have a code, you should have a code too. And once again, for the security class, you are looking for SYO 501 Security Plus 2017. My access ends August 28th, 2018. That should be when yours probably ends close around that. But if you have any questions, let me know. More than happy to help you out. And we should, like I said, once you take the test and go through it, you should see a score, and you should have the ability to also look at what you missed and why it was wrong. I wish I was able to see that average score. There's a percent sign there. So once again, I'm going to play around with it a little bit more. I just got this tonight. So give me some time, and I will definitely make another video.